Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nani niyazi bafethu ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani Kamara Maintain Fokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one. Hey
Yeah.
babo.
Today's episode, man, let's look at the Cape Town City. It's not Cape
Cape
Town.
Town
It's,
Spurs.
it's Cape Town Spurs. Sorry.
Yeah.
The two players that were taken by Kaizer Chiefs, and they registered them. They haven't played as yet. Uveleba, Luke Batman.
Yeah.
Today, was it today or yesterday?
It was today.
Okay, today, a decision from SAFA it came, and eh, they are allowed to ukuthi bengaqhubeka badlale for Kaizer Chiefs
Yeah.
after Cape Town Spurs ihambileyo aphila ku SAFA. They failed. Remember, they failed with PSL. Now they're failing with SAFA. Could it be that they're moving to FIFA? That's a topic for another day. But what do you make of their situation? Because they keep on trying, man. Yeah.
Hey, my good guy. I think it's wrong to run a team the way by running a young situation. Because
Yeah.
it's painful for me with labadlala lava. Bebefuna.
Mhm.
Yes. Angithi while badlala kulo was the lower division angithi
Yeah.
NFT.
NFT.
And then they price them high
Mhm.
because they claim that they've developed the players, right?
Yeah.
Which I fully agree with that.
Yeah.
It's fine.
You wouldn't have known them.
Yes. So it's okay. They have a right to name a price,
Yes.
But looking at their situation, obviously they could see that they're actually not even doing well on the league itself,
Yeah.
But now you're running a team, you don't know the rules of PSL. What does it say if you get relegated?
Yeah.
So
especially if we are not part of the NFT or PSL.
Yes. So you also as a team or whoever was running those operations, they don't know that we're about to lose these players for free.
Yeah. Ne?
So like I will always say, somebody was living in their job. So now they're busy appealing. It's fine. They have a right to fight. But if there's a clause that state that once you get relegated, then you're gonna lose your players for free. Because remember, when you look at the situation, man, when these players were wanted, there were already rumors that okay, Kaizer Chiefs spoke to parents of Villarreal and they agreed. Already you can see what you're about to fight a losing battle.
Exactly.
So now you already you know that this player no longer wants to be here. Where he was gonna stay, but obviously might not perform well because I don't want to be here.
True.
So all those red flags for them, they were there.
True. Honestly speaking, they don't have the upper hand on the table now when it comes to negotiations. Before they would have upper hand, but given their status and where they are now, it's not really exploitation for that matter.
Yeah.
Given that Kaizer Chiefs did reach out to them and try to actually
Offer
come
them
up with
something.
Yes, a friendly offer,
Yes.
but it seems like they wanted more than
They
that.
acted
In
big.
fact, they said that they're not for sale
Yes.
for that match, and it was a big slap.
Yeah.
Only to find out that this transpired. Now here they are.
I think they also lost another player for to Amazulu.
Yeah,
To Amazulu. Same situation.
Same situation.
Situation. So now it means they could even lose more players.
Yeah. I think
Unless they've signed new contracts.
Yeah, maybe they will learn from this. But
Yes.
it still goes back to South African football, man. You don't see a lot of these things happening when you go abroad or even in Africa for that matter. South African football, the way it's being administered, hey, sometimes it's really questionable. Right now, we're docked points Bafana. That's another scandal. Cape Town City scandal. You know, all those
People are
things.
sleeping at their
Yes,
job.
all those things. It just shows that, in as much as we enjoy the beautiful game, but in the back office, a lot of things are happening
Yeah, so
there.
I think for Cape Town Spurs it should be a learning curve.
Yeah,
Yeah, it should be a learning one going forward. They shouldn't be making mistakes like this, you
yeah,
know. Because at the end of the day, it's business. I get where they're coming from because they
yeah,
want to generate money, especially if they claiming that, oh, we've invested in this player development. So
mm,
they're actually right.
yeah,
But if they could have looked at their situation where they are on the log, and then they knew about these clubs that say, once you get
mm,
relegated, what's going to
yeah.
happen to the
Because
players?
surely, suffer. There are grounds that they denying this thing
Yes, they cannot
on.
just
Yes,
deny
they
it for the
can't
sake
just
of it,
deny.
you know.
Yes.
So yeah, I think
Mm,
it should be a learning curve, and but I'm also happy for Ovelebai and Upatman
yeah,
to finally be freed. Is no,
yeah.
so we can't wait to see
Hopefully,
them in gold and black.
yeah, true. Hopefully they start playing now.
Yeah, yeah. At least
Maybe they can.
Upatman is playing in under 20 World
Yes,
Cup,
match fit
so we
as
are yet
well.
to actually see Ovelebai.
Yeah. Guys, let us know about this
This situation, yeah,
situation. I think now it's about time that it just comes to an end.
yeah, yeah.
I believe everyone has to move on from this now, and we focus on other things. The league has already started, and some teams have played even 10 games.
Yay.
We can't be talking about something of last season. So yeah, let us know, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like, man. It goes a long way. Otherwise,